quick trade explanation or breakdown on the Euro US dollar short that we took today on the score channel. So first of all, this idea is based off of a weekly profile and then narrowed down into a daily profile and narrowed down into a kill zone, which this was the New York session kill zone. So the market is fractal and therefore everything's being narrowed down from the daily, weekly, monthly time frames all the way down into a 1 hour, 15 minute and 1 minute time frame. So we have our dealing range here, which is the New York session dealing range. We have the session high and the session low, and we can see that we always want to sell at a premium, very important, and buy at a discount. So we waited for the market to come back into premium, met our PD array, and then sold off. So first of all, let's quickly break down a weekly profile so you guys can understand. So on Monday, usually the market would open, consolidate or accumulate, and then push to create the high of the week or the low of the week, and this is where you get your expansion to the downside. Usually Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation, which puts in the high or low of the week, and Wednesday, Thursday expansion, at least until you meet your sell side liquidity, and on Friday you get your TGIF trade where the market trades back into the range. Similar to what's happened here, we have a range and the market will trade back into the range on a Friday. That's on a classic week. There are different weekly profiles, but this in essence or in theory would create your weekly candle, and this is so important. So if you are bearish for the week, you want to sell in the upper portion of this dealing range and you want to buy at a discount, sell at a premium, buy at a discount, and vice versa. So now that that's out of the way, we can quickly go into the actual trade. So New York session dealing range, the market trade back up into our PD array. You would use your SMC PD array matrix to identify this high probability PD array. So this is a 30-minute fair value gap. We do not trade simply or place trades when the market trades into a fair value gap or an order block. We are always trading a reaction off of that fair value gap, order block, PD array, whatever the case may be. So in this example, we can see that the market expanded, it reaccumulated, it manipulated and redelivered. It is expansion, accumulation, manipulation and redistribution. This is also called neutralization, where the market would expand, accumulate, neutralize and redeliver. So all of this is basically power of 3 or AMD cycles. Okay, so all of that basically out of the way, we can see that the market created this internal liquidity, the market pushed up. We have had SMT here with GU, where we are looking at, like for example, if you want to short Euro US dollar, GBP USD, like Euro USD, Pound US dollar, Aussie US dollar, all of these positively correlated assets is inversely or negatively correlated with the dollar index, and therefore we are looking for the weakest pair against the dollar. In this scenario today, GU created a higher high right here and also AUD USD, but EU did not. Euro US dollar failed to create a high high. This makes it the weaker pair of all the inversely correlated assets in conjunction with the dollar index. Okay, so after confirming SMT with the market traded, it neutralized this liquidity, this internal liquidity, and we can see that the market changed its state of delivery. Coming back, you won't be able to see it now, but there's another 3-minute fair value gap right here, and the market reacted off of that, and that was our physical entry. We targeted the sell side liquidity. So if I go to the 3-minute time frame, hopefully this will load quickly. You can see the 3-minute fair value gap right there. The other stuff will load now. So this is a 3-minute fair value gap, and that was my entry inside a change in state of delivery. So that was our entry, and the trade ran off to opposing side of liquidity, because remember we took out buy side and the market should deliver sell side liquidity, and that was our trade for the day.